वो आपने भी देखा होगा in terms of my show. तो सबसे पहला सवाल is कि आखिर who is Tamir?
I was actually born in Lahore.
Right.
Brought up in Islamabad. सारी जिंदगी इस्लामाबाद में गुजरी.
सही.
और did multiple of different good jobs. Right now with the job I'm actually I've just like entered like 3 months back into the music, producing the music and doing some private events,
Right.
very exclusive private events.
सही.
And it was like very something I wanted to do like since very long. So but I have actually started it. It got a very good response, like gone on trending और
अब सबसे पहले हम ट्रेंडिंग में जरूर आएंगे. सबसे पहले अब अगला सवाल ये था वो कि यार देखो from the transitioning of Taimur himself, because Taimur is a guy from Lahore जिसने लाहौर में पढ़ा और फिर बाकी एक ड्रीम सोची पढ़ा इस्लामाबाद में but है लाहौर से ठीक है. तो आपने वहाँ से पढ़ के and obviously now that you're an avid musician and you are in support of making a very amazing remixes and some original content in terms of that you're working for, मुझे बताओ कि तैमूर में और टैमी में क्या फर्क है?
Taimur itself is a family person.
ठीक है.
और Tammy is like for friends and for giggers and for like in the music scene like everyone actually knows me with the Tammy.
ठीक है.
So Taimur the difference जो एक बहुत बड़ा difference इस time के ऊपर आ रहा है कि like Taimur is like जितने लोग तैमूर जानते हैं तैमूर इज a person who does the job,
काम भी कर रहे हैं, हाँ, घर भी चला रहे हैं, सिस्टम भी चल रहा है.
और Tammy is like right now is like Tammy is like everywhere. My friends call me Tammy.
Right.
And like mostly in the music like all over the world like people are actually saying like Tammy. So Tammy और Taimur का difference अब ये हो गया कि Tammy is itself it's a music.
अच्छा music side पर चलो अब let's talk about the journey because the reason why I thought कि हम तो काफी time से plan कर रहे थे that I should take your interview but हम हमेशा हमारा plan आगे पीछे होता है but nonetheless थोड़ा सा बताना Tammy आजकल the kind of music क्योंकि there are different types of genres that people are doing but तुम्हारा genre on the electronica side, I think it is the one that is आजकल in flow and everybody is looking forward to it all the time because आजकल times have changed in terms of music. तो मुझे बताओ कि तुम्हारा ये जो music evolution because I'm sure you initially would have had an ear for music but आहिस्ता आहिस्ता how did you develop this and अब उसको how are you bringing it to life?
In music I always wanted to do something in electronic music or I wanted to do something but like very different.
Right.
Then I've actually I found my ears were like very good for the tribal technos, a very deep house Arabic kind of a touch with the Eastern instruments in it. And Eastern vocals as well, like Arabic vocals as well.
Right.
So I wanted to do something very different that is like I guess like very few people are doing at the moment around the world. Like there is like 2-3 people which I'm actually listening to right now. They're also doing very good work. But like right now in tribal techno or this Eastern or Arabic house, deep house, like there are very few people.
Right.
So I started with these different tracks,
right,
which I've actually like uploaded and I've actually played. People actually they give.
Usually appreciation is where आप लोगों को feel होता है कि यार now that मेरे अपने दोस्त मुझे appreciate कर रहे हैं, तो वो जो appreciation होती है उसका सफर जब उसके बाद जब practically जब तुमने implement किया, like you just released a few songs. They are online, obviously SoundCloud पे भी, Spotify पे भी, Apple Music पे भी, and all the major streaming platforms. तो मुझे सिर्फ ये बताओ कि जब तुमने उस पे jump की, when you jumped into that side, क्योंकि फिर तो वो professional side भी आ जाती है ना, तो how do you see it assisting you right now in terms of the music that you've done?
Very good. What I was actually trying to do at the beginning, I was actually trying to make it like on a very small circle with a very small resources.
Right.
I've actually started it like this.
Right.
Or then I felt like yes, I'm actually making something good. So why not like to go it professionally and get like professional things and make it like something that like people will say like yeah, it is actually professionally made. It is not something like you have actually just recorded on the phone and you have just uploaded.
Right.
Okay. So then I actually moved myself towards the studio. Then I've actually worked on the different softwares. I made different versions of one song. Then I in the whole night, I'm actually making the music in the night usually.
Right.
So I'm